We won't.
We will wait.
Hey there guys, Abner Reviews here, back with another unboxing. So today we'll be reviewing this USB UV killing lamp. Okay, so here's what we have from the box. So we have some user manual, we have this USB adapter, and our main unit right here. So as you can see, we have the plug right here. It comes with a USB interface. So this is our main unit right here. And our main unit is right here in the center. So that's where the fan is. This item sucks in air from here, from all these holes downward. So air flows from here downward here. So our UV light should be right on the fan inside here. And at the bottom you see these holes, right? Looks like a heart design. But this is our container. Any mosquitoes caught by our USB killing lamp will be trapped inside here. So the mosquitoes will stay here inside until we clean the unit. So as you can see, there are small feet at the bottom right here. That would be handy in terms of placing our USB mosquito killing lamp. And this is where the plug originates from. Okay, so in terms of weight, we are using our digital scale right here. We have reviewed this on the channel. I'll put up the link right here. So if you weigh this one, we will get 191.4 grams. In terms of height, we have 13.5 cm. In terms of width, we have 10 cm. For size comparison, this is a regular bottle of Cheese Whiz original spread. Okay, so in terms of powering up our USB mosquito killing lamp, we have several options. You can use the adapter that comes with the unit and just plug it in like so, and plug this one to a normal wall socket. Or another option would be use a power bank like this one. This is the Romos Sense 6P. We have previously also reviewed this one on our channel, so I'll put the link right here and on the description of our video. So we just take one of our slots right here, USB slot, and it should be good to go. So like so. There you go. Our USB mosquito killing lamp is now operational. So the rated voltage of our USB mosquito killing lamp is 5 volts and its power consumption is just around 1.2 watts. So So it's really power efficient. We have our blue light on top right there, and just below that is our suction fan, which would be sucking in mosquitoes when they are lured by the blue light. So in theory, that should be how it works. And then mosquitoes will be trapped inside here on our container down below. And that should be a victory lap for us.
Wow!
Okay, so to clean our unit, all we need to do is push up gently in here. So that would pop up like so. And there you go. That's our container right here. That's where the mosquitoes would be piling up, hopefully. And that is the bottom of our fan right there. So you can easily clean it right here. So to assemble it back to one piece, make sure that you take note of the notch right here for the plug or for the cord, USB cord. Just be mindful of that one and just push it down like so, and it will gently lock. Our unit is really quiet. It's a quiet operation, so you won't even notice that it is running. You will only know that it's running because of the blue light. We would report back here on our video after using the unit after a couple of days or weeks, and we will see if it is effective indeed in catching mosquitoes for us. So that will be part of our video summary. Okay, so after 4 weeks, we have our unit right here, and we should look if it caught anything at all. So let's do that right now. So as you can see, there's nothing there. I think I don't have to explain to you if it worked or not, right? But the unit is still working, fan still spinning, and the light is still on, but it's catching nothing. So I would say that this one is busted. So my suggestion is do not buy anything like this that is this cheap. I got this for like, I think 200 pesos or something. I'm not sure though if there are units or items like this one that are authentic and are working, but these are the ones that I see on the internet, on Shopee or Lazada. So I do not advise you to buy any of these cheap ones, because as you have seen, it doesn't work. So this one is busted. So there you go, guys. I hope you liked our video today. If you like our video, please do not forget to like and comment on our video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell so you'll get notified when we upload another video. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.